Hi everyone, this is Matt Miller. I wanted to do a quick little video tutorial to show you how to get your links from recorded Adobe Connect sessions. This is particularly handy for our TJJD faculty who record their meetings and are able to then share those meeting links with their facilitators in different locations for their students. So if they're going to be out or need to pre-record something, they can always do a quick recording of their class and then share the link out later on. However, getting to the link can be a little bit difficult, so or it's not as intuitive as it should be maybe. At any rate, here's how you get to those links, and let me just walk you through that process real quick. So you'll notice that I'm at the Adobe Connect login page. The first thing that I want to do is to go ahead and log in, and I'm just going to use the TJJD account as an example. Pardon me. It should be tjjdconnect@navarrocollege.edu, and I'm going to use the password there, and that should get me in. All right, perfect. So you'll notice that all of the different professors' classes are listed there, and I can get into each class. And that will take me to the classrooms. What I'm interested, though, is in the recordings. And so to get to those, what you have to do first is click on Meetings at the top of the page. And when I do that, now you'll see the different classes listed there. So I can select, say, for example, Professor Leatham's classroom. I can select that there. And there's a link to his class. I can enter the room. And you'll notice across the top here there are several options. These are just some options that the professor has on the back end to be able to see reports of who's been in there, be able to edit who gets to attend his class, and edit the classroom as well. But you'll notice that there is a link to recordings. So this is what I'm interested in here. So I'm going to click on Recordings. And here you'll notice that Professor Leatham has already recorded a couple of classes. You can see the dates and times. He has a morning class and an afternoon class, and you can see the dates. That was on Monday, August 28th. And then notice that on Wednesday, August 30th, he also recorded in the morning and in the afternoon as well. A little quick thing here. You'll notice that the meeting is set to private. Okay, a private meeting will only be accessible to specific people. And what we want to do is try to get a public link. You'll notice I've made these public already. So to make a link public, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, say, for example, Professor Leatham's morning class here. I'm going to choose the little checkbox to the left, and then I'm going to choose Access Type. So click the checkbox on the left and then choose Access Type. And then from here you can change it from private to public. Okay. You can even put a password in there if you want to, so that way if someone does get the link, then they would have to go through an additional step of adding a password. For now, I'm just going to get the link. I'm really not interested in setting a password, so whoever has this link is able to watch this class meeting. So I'm going to choose public and hit save, and now you can see that it switched to public. Now to get the link, I simply click on the class link recording here, and now I have a URL for viewing, or the link that I need to view it. So by copying this link, I can send this link out and it will take me to the class. Or if I wanted to just click on the link here, then it will bring up Professor Leatham's class session here. Okay, so it'll take a moment for it to load up, but it will play the class in its entirety once it's loaded. Give it a moment before it actually becomes available, and then it should play just fine. There we are.
You can use your textbook as well, so it's kind of an open book.
Now you can see every time the professor changed his view, I'm able to choose the different views over here on the left. I can also see the chat and the camera view as well during the recording. Really cool thing about the recordings as well is that if the professor does share a file in the recording, a student or a viewer could actually download the file directly from Adobe Connect. It's just a nice little feature that allows you to download materials even though it's kind of encased in this little recording here. So just very quickly again, once I am in my meetings area and I choose the professor's classroom, and then I choose recordings, and then I have to select the arrow, the checkbox to the left of the class recording. In order to make it public, I need to select this and then choose access type. Make it public. Set a passcode if I want to. Save it. Notice that it's public. Click on the link itself and then copy this link. And that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this little video tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.